Ne ochuo koke kanyende paro mar chika manindo mabende koro neno ni Bajet Ma Balang en mano mabende koro omed ti godo e pacho kae. Omenda gi komwayo shillings bilion 365. Jatend piny ne ochuo koke kendo miyo bajet ma pacho kae koro wuok omenda nindo maromo shillings trilion 4 nyaka trilion 4 kod bilion maromo kanyendo 600. Chenro mag dongruoge mopogore opogore kod dhi chwal ka okalo e bilion moyo kanyendo 365 mabende koro nochwe koke odiochieng' ma kawuono nyasi mabende nobagi e par jot mare kata State House buore Nairobi kendo chwe wang' kod anyapare duol mar jotend migepe Wycliffe Musalia Mudavadi, jotend migawo mar omenda John Mbadi kanyakla bende kod jotelo mamoko kamoting'o Attorney General e kinde mamoko.
Gives the most significant increment, affirming the administration's enduring commitment to deepen reforms in a sector that anchors our greatest national asset, our people, and prepares them for the opportunities and demand of the future. Further, in fulfilling of the administration's commitment to foster national healing and renewal under the 10-point agenda, the estimates make provisions for the compensation of victims of demonstrations and public protests, with an allocation of Kenya shillings 2 billion. Your Excellency, with the National Assembly having discharged its law-making mandate, Your Excellency, as the head of state and government, is most graciously petitioned to exercise your presidential prerogative as vested in you by Article 115 of the Constitution to assent to the Supplementary Appropriations Number 1 of the financial year 2025-2026 and Consolidated Fund Warrant Number 2 of financial year 2025-2026. Your Excellency, sir, I now invite the Clerk of the National Assembly to convey the vellum copies of the bill for Your Excellency's presidential assent.
Your Excellency, I have the instructions of the Speaker of the National Assembly to once again place before you vellum copy of this bill for your assent. Your Excellency, this bill is a Supplementary Appropriations Bill 2026, which was preceded by the laying in the House of the supplementary estimates following the approval by the Cabinet at the beginning of this session. The bill, Your Excellency, was introduced in the House by the distinguished member for Alego Usonga, the Honorable Samuel Onunga Atandi, who is the chairperson of the Budget and Appropriations Committee. Your Excellency, the supplementary estimates, together with the bill, went through extensive public participation by the 20 departmental committees of the National Assembly, together with the Budget and Appropriations Committee.